Hello dear, welcome V1 Queen. If you like this video then do like, share, comment and subscribe. Hello dear student, welcome to our English class. Today we are going to learn new lesson, the bubble, the straw and the shoe. Let's we start. We see here two pictures and three friends are here. The bubble, the straw and the shoe. So let's we start our lesson. Once, once, upon a time there lived a bubble, a straw and a shoe. One upon a time they lived a bubble, a straw and a shoe. So one day they are lived, and then one day they went into the forest. Three friends are go to the forest. Go past form is WENT, went. They came to a river. When they are going into the forest, then in the between river, so they came to a river. They did not know, KNOW, know how to cross it. It means river. They came to a river. They did not know how to cross the river. So the shoe said, bubble, let's us float, FLOAT, float on you. So shoe said, float. Float means to move on water. The bubble lets us float on you. Then no shoe. Shoe say no. Let's straw scratch, STRETCH, stretch himself, HIMSCLF, himself from one bank to the other. THEN, then, WEVCN, can, CROSS, cross the river. So you can see in this picture the straw scratch from one bank to other. Then we cross the river. So say straw scratch himself from one bank to the other. Then we can do easily cross the river. So the straw scratched, STRETCHED, scratched himself from one bank to the other. Then we can see in this picture the straw scratch on the one bank to the other bank. Bank means the side of the river near the land. This is water and this is bank, BNK, bank. So side part is we called BANK, bank. When the shoe jumped on the straw, it broke. The shoe fell into the water, WITH, with a loud splash. Splash means a unique sound of water. When the shoes jump on the straw, then straw is broken. We can see in this picture straw is broken and shoe is in the water. So when the shoe fell into the water, then create a one type of sound, so we call splash, splash. The bubble shook and shook with laughter, 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 and burst, burst with a bang. So the bubble shook, the bubbles laugh loudly, brushed with a pink bang. Then burst, burst means explosions, blast, one type of sound like blast, 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 with a bing bang, bang. So burst means blast and bang means one type of sound when the shoes into the water. So the bubble laugh loudly, and then after the bubble brushed with a pink bang. Okay children, then we learn new words: bang, bank, bank, bubble, burst, brushed, cross, cross, river, river, shoes, shoes, splash, splash. Let's read. I can blow bubbles, I can wear shoes. So we can see in this picture the straw is broken, the shoes fell into the water, and the bubble brushed with a pink pen. Then so we learn lovely story. So every student must be read this story. Okay children, bye bye, see you, take care. If you are watching this video, then do like, share, comment and subscribe. You do write your name in the comment. Everybody must be write your name in the comment.